A new solid silver coin has joined the ranks of some of the most renowned bullion coins in the world. The U.S. Money Reserve, worldwide exclusive 1 ounce Pearl Harbor silver coin. This limited production silver coin is official legal tender and struck from the highest purity possible, 0.999 pure silver. Each coin is guaranteed for its silver weight, content, and purity. This 1 ounce silver coin honors one of the most important moments in world history, but also puts the power of silver in your hands. As a precious metal, silver offers a means of potentially growing your existing pool of wealth or a tool for financial survival in the event of an economic crisis. The 1 ounce Pearl Harbor silver coin is an exceptional choice for both serious silver connoisseurs and those who are purchasing precious metals for the first time. Apart from its powerful silver content, the Pearl Harbor silver coin offers a tangible way to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the attack on Pearl Harbor and make sure that the date, which will live in infamy, is never forgotten. 1 ounce Pearl Harbor silver coin specifications. Year of release 2016. Denomination $1 US. Condition brilliant uncirculated. Grading service not applicable for bullion. Metal content 1 troy ounce. Purity 0.9999 silver. Mint mark Perth Mint. Mint facility manufacturer is Perth Mint, Australia. Issuing country Tuvalu. Diameter 40.60 millimeter. Thickness 4 millimeter. Obverse designer Ian Rank Broadley. Reverse designer Thomas Vaughn.